Hello everyone.
In this video, we'll learn how to perform a factory reset on our Xiaomi Mi TV Stick. It's possible that at some point your Mi TV Stick might not work properly. This doesn't mean it's broken. It could be running slow, have a frozen app, be overloaded, or your storage might be full. Well, it could be many different things. First, you should try restarting the device to see if that fixes the problem. But if nothing works and you can't do anything because something is corrupting the system, the most logical step would be a factory reset. I must warn you that a factory reset is not the same as restarting the device. Doing this will erase all data and applications from your device. This means that once you reset to factory settings, the device will be like you just bought it. None of your accounts, apps, or any files you have stored will remain. It will be completely empty, basically like you just purchased it and connected it for the first time. To do this, go to the top bar and scroll to the settings wheel. Within settings, scroll down to device preferences. In here, look for the recovery section, which is typically at the very bottom. Keep scrolling down until you see the recovery section at the bottom. Enter the recovery section and you'll see a brief description. Recovery will erase all data from the device's internal storage, including your Google account, app settings, system data, and downloaded applications. As you can see, and I told you before, this method will erase everything and restore factory settings. So first, make sure you have everything backed up, okay? That you won't lose anything important. And once you're sure, click on Recover below. As you can see, it's super important because it asks a second confirmation question. I repeat, this will erase everything. Only do this if you're selling it, giving it to a friend, or if it's not working properly and formatting is your only option. So once you're sure, click Delete Everything, and as you can see, nothing happens immediately. The system freezes and begins the factory reset process. This process depends on how much storage you've used on your Mi TV stick. In my case, I have almost nothing, so the reset will be super fast. It's going to take a few minutes to bring back the main screen for language selection, but in some cases, if your stick is very full, this process might take much longer. In any case, you simply need to wait until you see the initial screen again. As you can see, after a few minutes, maybe 3 or 4 minutes max, the Mi TV stick is reset to factory settings. I forgot we first get the remote pairing screen before the language selection screen. Now you just need to pair the remote by pressing the 2 buttons shown in the image. As you can see, the remote is now connecting, and that's it. The device is now reset to factory settings. Now we have the language options and should restart it to check if it works correctly. Or as I mentioned earlier, if you want to give it away or sell it, you can just leave it at this point. It doesn't matter whether the controller is updated or not, it's all the same. Well guys, that's all for this video. As always, I hope this helped you. If it did, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. That's all from me. As always, it's been a pleasure. See you in the next video.